Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Odyssey key fob here. It works for these models 2025 and 2026 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is right here you see a small button, this button over here. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And when you remove this mechanical key over here, right after that turn the fob like this with the buttons facing down and take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here between these two pieces, only the tip, and when you insert it just push up, twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this one and this one. And now when you do that, right after that here on this side you see a roll dead battery. Now if this piece falls off like this, don't worry, just take it and return it back in its place like this. Alright, and now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and also make sure this side that facing you is the positive side. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners have to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.